I'm going to explain how to convert proper fraction into improper fraction, into mixed fraction, and how to simplify fraction. So let's say we have 13, question number 1. We have 13 over 4. This fraction is going to call improper fraction. Improper fraction. Why? Because numerator 13 is greater than denominator, which is 4. Then we call improper fraction. If I would have, let's say, 4 over 13, I will have proper fraction because numerator 4 will be greater than denominator, which is 13. Just to make it real quick clear, the number above the line is a numerator. The number below the line is denominator. Okay, and the line, that fractional line, is nothing else but division. So let's say if I have 13 over 4, that's the same thing if I write down 13 divided by 4. So it is division. Okay, so it's improper and proper fraction. Now, when you have, we are using in life, we are working with proper or with either proper fractions or mixed fractions. So therefore, when we get improper fraction, like 13 over 4, we are converting to mixed fraction, okay, which is also considered proper. So mixed fraction. Here we have improper fraction 13 over 4. How we are going to convert to mixed fraction? What we do, we take 13 divided by 4. How many times it's going to fit? 13 divided by 4. 3 times, right? This 3 is going to be our whole number because 3 times is whole, 3 times it's fitting in the 13. So 3 times 4 is 12. Remainder is 1. And this remainder is going to numerator here. Denominator never changes. Okay? Next one. Number 2. I have 22 over 7. So it's improper fraction. We need to change into mixed fraction because we don't operate with it, we don't keep the final answer as an improper. By some reason, some text will keep it, but in life we don't keep the final answer as improper. We always convert into mixed fraction. So 22 divided by 7. So it's going to fit how many times? 3 times, right? 3 times 7 is 21. That's a whole, number. So this 3, it's coming here 3 times. Remainder is going to be 1 because 3 times 7 is 21. Remainder is 1. Remainder comes to numerator. Denominator again stays the same. Okay. Next I'm taking, let's say, 20 over 7. How many times 7 will fit into 20? If divide 20 by 7, it's going to be twice, right? This 2 comes right here, it's a whole number. And then 2 times 7 is 14. Remainder is 6. So this remainder 6 come to numerator, 7 stays the same. Another one, 28 over 5. It's going to be equal, 28 divided by 5. It's going to be 5 times, right? 5 times 5 is 25. 20 in the remainder, 28 minus 25 is 3. So 3 over 5. Another one, 33 over 5. If I take 33, divide by 5, it's going to be 6 times, right? So 6 times 5 is 30, remainder is 3. This 3 comes up here, 5. 33 over 2. 33 dividing by 2, it's going to be 16 times. Okay, well, let's go slow. 1 times 2 is 2. I get 1 because I have another number here. I'm bringing down 3. 13 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, we don't have any numbers here left. So remainder is 1, which means the whole number is going to be 16 and 1 is going to be denominator over 2. So this is mixed fraction. Next, 227 over 20. It's going to be 227 over 7. So let's take 2, you can divide by 7 because it's less. 22 divided by 7 is 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 comes down. 17 divided by 7, it's going to be twice. 2 times 7 is going to be 14. The remainder is 3. I still have 7 left. No, I used already 7. I'm sorry. So I'm done with all numbers, right? I used all numbers. So 3 remainder. It's going to be 32. And 3 over 20. 4, and now we're going backwards. Let me clean this. Now we are going to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. When do we need in life convert from mixed to improper? When we need to do multiplication or division with the mixed fraction, or we want to use in some operations, improper fraction is more convenient to use. Okay, so question number 8. So we have 4 and 1/7. How we are going to get improper fraction? So we take this 4, multiply by 7, it's going to be 28. This is multiplication. And then adding 1. So 4 times 7 is 28, and plus 1 is going to be 29. And again, denominator stays the same. We never touch denominator. So let me show on the side. 4 times 7 and then plus 1. So you multiply first and then add second. Okay, 4 times 7, 28, and plus 1, 29. Denominator stays the same. Next. 2 and 3/5. 2 times 5 is going to be 10. Plus 3 is going to be 13. So 13 comes to numerator, stays denominator the same. Next question. 1 and 5 over 6. It's going to be 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5, it's going to be 11 over 6. Number 11. 6 and 3/4. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27 over 4. Next one. Number 12. 36 and 1 over 2. 36 times 2 is 72, plus 1 is 73 over 2. And that's pretty much, I guess, enough, huh? Okay, let me solve 2 more. Let's say number 7. and 5 over 6. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 5 is 47 over 6. And number 14, last one. So let's say we have what? 3 and 2 over 9. 9 times 3, 27, plus 2, it's going to be 29 over 9. That's all. So I guess the simplification I will combine with the addition and subtraction, okay, and multiplication and division. I will do next video with that. Okay, thank you very much.